Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Cardano using the Exodus wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Exodus wallet, then go to your wallet, which is in the bottom left corner if you tap on this circle. And here you will see a short list with a few cryptos on it. But if you don't see the one that you are looking for, you just have to tap on the Add More button on the bottom of the screen. And if you tap on it, it's going to open up the list with all the available cryptos on Exodus. So you can choose the one that you are interested in from this list. Just scroll to the top of the page. And if you have listed the cryptos on your homepage, you will see it. But now we are talking about Cardano, so just tap on the Cardano icon. It's going to open up the Cardano main page where you can see the price, your own balance, and obviously the price changes from the last 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year period. And if you want to receive Cardano, you have to tap on this arrow from the top of the screen, which is pointing down. And if you tap on it, it's going to generate automatically your Cardano QR code and address. And with this, you can receive Cardano in your Exodus wallet very easily. Or you can just tap on the share icon and share the QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.